From California State University San Bernardino, it's Local Matters.
Roller skating and cakes. Hello, I'm Jonathan Cuevas, and welcome to Local Matters, featuring stories from across the Inland Empire.
And I'm Tamara Issi. Roller skating is a recreational activity that can even be used as a mode for transportation. Since the first public skating rink opened in 1866, many have been fascinated by shoes on wheels. Reporter Jamil Bautista rolls on into a local skating rink to learn more on how the love of skating is here to stay.
Roller skating is making a comeback, but is it here to stay, or is it going to skate right out the door?
Seeing from starting here a year ago, seeing how many more people have come, it's been a drastic change. So I hope it continues to grow.
Even if you fall a few times, roller skating can be fun when you put your own spin to it.
That nothing else matters on the floor, you're just, everything disappears when you're on the floor. You're just skating and it's just you and the floor.
Don't be afraid to fall. It may hurt, but it'll only make you better.
Young or old, anyone can strap on a pair of skates and hit the rink.
Any age is really a good age. My mom started me before I learned how to walk, so I'm like, kind of there.
2, 3, it doesn't matter. You got heart, you're gonna do it.
Roller skating is more than just wheels to the ground.
The vibe, the music, stuff like that, everybody just wants out there to jig and have fun.
To make it your own. I'm not the best, but I'm learning, and I'm not as timid anymore.
You feel free, and to have that feeling skating around, once you really get used to it, it becomes second nature.
If you get tired from skating for hours, take a break. Hit the arcade, win prizes, or just play some pool.
Arcades is a great time. You can just sit back, chill, relax, watch your family out there. It's a great time.
Whether you're starting out new or you're a pro, grab a skates and go. For Local Matters, I'm Jamil Bautista.
There's cake, there's cupcakes, and then there's cakes in cups. Reporter Jaylin Blythe catches up with Adim Eboka to learn more about the inspiration behind starting his very own business selling cakes in cups.
From the Bay to LA, Adim Eboka and Sweet's Kitchen have reshaped the idea of how to eat cake.
And I am the owner of 316 Sweet's Kitchen.
Baking has always been a talent of his, but he wanted to use it for something bigger and better.
The idea came to me pretty much through God. God showed me this vision. He showed me that he wanted me to use this baking talent to just further his skills and just spread his word.
With all the cupcakes, cookies, and cakes he sells, I want to know what sparked his master idea for the creation of his infamous cake jars.
It just almost in a sense popped up in my mind. I was always selling cupcakes, and I figured out though people love the cupcakes, it was hard to keep them out in certain weathers. I was just walking down. I was pretty much at Walmart walking down the aisles, and I noticed if I can be able to. I seen these jars, the mason jars, and I said, okay, if I'm able to put them in these jars, they'll be able to last way longer, as well as still preserve the taste and have the same look.
I was able to catch up with a few of Adim's close friends, and they had no shame in sharing their thoughts on their favorite cake jar flavor.
The citrus strawberry lemon cake, it's so good. It's super moist and has a lot of strawberries, so it's my favorite.
I'm definitely a fan of the tropical, so I'll probably have to say the coconut pineapple.
So there you have it, folks. In a jar, 316 Sweets. For Local Matters, I'm Jaylin Blythe. And here's a nice good tasty.
To keep updated on what Local Matters is doing, follow our social media.
To watch some of our other stories, head on over to our YouTube channel at Local Matters CSUSB. I'm Tamara Issi.
And I'm Jonathan Cuevas. Join us next time for more local stories that matter.